I'm going to turn over to Lisa here in a second, but I do want to comment on one thing that Nader said, and that is a green company, and kind of explaining what that means. And that means we don't spend a lot of money on corporate overhead. We keep everything very lean, very nimble, very easy. So we don't have a big expensive corporate office. A lot of you guys like to, can I come see the warehouse? And all it is a warehouse. I mean, this is where it's ugly, it's big, but it's where we store all our products and we ship all of our products from. We actually have 4 different places that our inventory is stored now. We have 2 warehouses. We have our warehouse now in Germany that's shipping our international packs. And a lot of the products we ask, and fortunately, because we're ordering so many of them, our manufacturers hold a lot of our products for us because honestly, we don't have the space for them. We probably need another West Coast warehouse or something like that. But, when Nader talks about being green, Nader's pointing to his backyard. I guess he wants to store some product back there. And this is what really gives us not only an advantage as far as the compensation plan, being able to run the business, but also as far as competition. Because most companies, I mean, you look at most companies that are selling products for 60, 80 bucks, they're paying out maybe half of it. I mean, the truth is the average compensation plan only pays out about 35%. I mean, that's just industry standard. So you got an $80 product, it's got a 50 BV value. So they're paying out 50% of the BV, which is only 25 bucks of the 80, which means they've got $55 left over to pay for the company to run. That is a huge amount of money going into owners' pockets. And that's why they have huge corporate offices. That's why they have 100 corporate staff and all this stuff. The way that we run our company, the reason that we're able to give you guys the products at such a low price is we don't have to mark them up. We can make $1, $2 per product and still run a very successful company. And, another $1 on each membership each month. We're paying out about 85%. You factor in merchant fees and all that stuff, we get about $1 left over. And we're able to do that. And I mean, we have 5, 6, 8 customer service people, another 10 people here packing orders. That's it. That's our overhead. So for other companies to come in here and compete and be able to operate a company the way that we're running this company is very challenging for most people. The margins aren't there. People like those big 20, 30, 50% margins that aren't happening here, but we're able to run a very healthy, very profitable, very successful company with those smaller margins because we know how to operate it, because, as Nader said, we keep it green. And I want you guys to understand, I know we got a lot of we've said it before, but we've got a lot of new people on the line. I mean, 33,000 people just joined this week. So that's for you guys to understand and just know that because I think it is important to know that the company knows what they're doing. And we are 100% debt free. We have probably over $5 or $6 million worth of inventory in our warehouses ready to ship to you guys around the world, paying out commissions on time, every single week. In fact, we paid out early this week as a birthday celebration, just to give you guys a little extra happiness on Wednesday. I don't know if you guys noticed that. We sent out an email as well. But yeah, so it's fun, it's exciting, and it is fun to disrupt stuff and really become, something that's never been seen before and is absolutely dominating stuff that's not right in the world right now. So we're fixing a lot of stuff. We're doing big things, and we're really excited about it. With that, I know Ryan's going to come on here.